Welcome to Smart Kitchen Products, your trusted source for kitchen product reviews, buying guides, and smart cooking tips. Still using old plastic measuring cups? They can stain, scratch, and become difficult to read. Today, we're looking at a premium glass measuring cup set that could make your cooking and baking much easier. This is the M MCIRCO 6-piece glass measuring cups with lid set. It includes 1 cup, 2 cup, and 4 cup measuring cups made from durable Borosilicate glass with matching storage lids. These measuring cups are microwave, oven, freezer, and dishwasher safe. The easy-to-read measurement markings make cooking more accurate, while the nesting design saves valuable kitchen space. The included lids also make storing leftovers quick and convenient. We especially like the premium glass construction because it doesn't absorb food odors or stains like plastic. Whether you're baking, cooking, or preparing healthy meals, this set offers excellent durability and everyday convenience. Overall, the M MCIRCO glass measuring cups are a fantastic choice for anyone looking for accurate measurements and long-lasting quality. We highly recommend them for home cooks and baking enthusiasts. Read our full review on Smart Kitchen Products Hub and check today's Amazon price using the links in the description below. If you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next review. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the full review and today's Amazon price.